did you just write moles? You should really write a few words. Number of moles. Okay, and number 2, the unit for PV, pressure is Pascal and volume is meter cubed. Pascal is Newton per meter, meter cubed. Newton meter squared. Oh sorry, here. Guys, wake up, we're all sleepy. Newton per meter squared, meter cubed, which is Newton meter, which is a joule. Okay, and B, a car emits 130 grams of carbon dioxide, so the mass is 130 grams, and the molar mass of carbon is 44, so 130 divided by 44, that's how many moles of carbon we have. And what is the pressure? Oh no, the pressure is, what's the volume? Okay, so the temperature is 273.15 plus 27, and the pressure is 1.01 times 10 to the 5. And you have PV equals nRT, and V equals nRT over P, which will be 130 over 44 times 8.31 times whatever, 273. What is it, Monica? 300.15 over 1.01 times 10 to the 5. Okay. What did you get here? 0.0729 meters cubed. I think that's a good question for the exam.
Teacher, why is that over 44 grams?
Because in the question it says the molar mass, sure, is 44.
Gram over more.
What it's saying is 44 grams of carbon is 1 mole.
This is 44 grams.
I know they use this word relative molar mass. Have you used this in chemistry?
Yes, actually, gram over more.
Yeah, but
Therefore, we can get more.
relative molar mass, and then you have molar mass, and then you have mass. So mass usually use grams, yeah. Molar mass is grams per mole. And relative molar mass actually has no units. Because what you're doing for the relative molar mass, if you say relative molar mass is 44, that's roughly saying, it's a bit like relative density. You know, if relative density, it doesn't have any units. So if I said relative density is 2, what does that mean? Compared to water for relative density. Yeah, but for relative molar mass it's compared to carbon. Yeah, carbon 12. It's compared to 1/12 of carbon 12. So what you're saying is it's 44 times more than 1/12 of carbon 12. Or in other words, it's 44 grams a mole. It's just there's no units because it's compared to another atom. But the you use this is defined as 1 mole, isn't it? And this will be 1 gram. Yeah, Remind me the definition of carbon-12. You say carbon-12 is 12 grams.
Yes. Yes.
Is 1 mole. Yeah, okay. So then, when you say relative mass is 44, you're saying it's 44 times more than 1/12 of a mole of carbon-12. Yeah, that's what it was. But anyways, that's very complicated. In my head, I'm just... relative molar mass of 44 means basically 44 grams per mole. So we have roughly 3 moles of carbon dioxide. Yeah? Roughly. Okay. Is this okay, Jeremy, or not okay? Are you sure? You're not just saying it's okay to make me feel better?
Definitely.
Oh, good. Let's have a look at the next one now.